Hi, I'm Anne with Exclusive, and here we have a Rivian R1T, and what we did to this vehicle is that we did a full body wrap with our Expel Stealth film, and also with got ceramic coating and then a full window tint. And over here we have this Rivian R1S. This Rivian R1S received a full body paint protection film with our Expel Ultimate Plus. It also got the interior coated with the ceramic coating and also the exterior surfaces. Also, window tint was added to all the windows, so this vehicle is completely protected. So if you have a Rivian or is planning to purchase one, please contact us. We'll be happy to hear from you.